7915 Jones Branch Drive is a multifamily development. It's the first building in the PS Business Park's campus that will be demolished, and we'll be replacing it with approximately 400 apartment units. It's approximately 5 acres of land, plus about another acre that we'll be using as part of this park area. The residential building will face Jones Branch Drive, but on the west side of the building will actually be a first floor roof deck that contains the pool. So that'll be a resident amenity, but it will overlook a park space down at street level. And also on the residential units that we have on the first floor, they will all be 16 to 18 feet in ceiling height. While we're not right on top of a metro station, we are surrounded by a lot of employment. So we think we can provide housing that will actually be walkable to thousands of employees who are already located in Tysons. It is only a 6-story building, so it's lower density in many respects than a lot of the high-rise developments, with the courtyard areas, the park areas, and all the green space. And for those people familiar with Jones Branch Drive, it's an interesting area because it already has a lot of very mature trees surrounding it. So we think it's going to just offer a nice alternative to a lot of the other developments that are happening right now.